It's finally here. What's up, guys? Logan here, and I'm back with another episode of Product Prodigy. Big video today. If you haven't been following my channel, here's a nutshell of the story of Leafboard. So this is a board that I bought a couple years ago on Indiegogo. Thought I got scammed on it because they took a year to send instead of they said a month. And then get the people that bought their skateboards, their freaking skateboards. And I eventually got it. Used it for a while. The motor started breaking, so I asked them to send me a new one. They sent me a new one, had to pay $30 for that. That motor broke as well, and it just completely stopped. And I couldn't even ride it because this wheel right here on the motor was stuck. So they had me send me my board back to their company, and they said they would replace my motor with a Leafboard Plus motor, which is their new and upgraded one. But then they said they, how the email was worded, made it sound like they were sending me a whole new, like, Leafboard Plus motor. I have no idea if this is a whole new skateboard, the Leafboard Plus, or if it's just my old board with a new upgraded motor in it. So this actually took a while for them to freaking bring in. It took a few months, but it's finally here. Gonna open it up and see what kind of board they sent me. Okay, it's a box in a box, and it's, good lord, hard to take out. Okay, it's in a different kind of box than the other one I opened. The Leafboard Special. Not really sure if this is the Leafboard Plus or not. Leafboard parts. Let's open up the parts first. Oh, a brand new backpack. I didn't think I'd be getting one of these. I got a backpack last time too. Wasn't really a fan of the layout, but I mean, it's a free backpack, so that's pretty cool. And this has definitely been needed around my campus. There's so much walking on my campus that it'd just be so nice to have a working electric skateboard. Oh, I also got a brand new free extra grip tape, so now I have 2 extra ones. Styrofoam. Oh my goodness, I think this is a new one. This has gotta be a new one. Oh yes! Ooh! Ooh! Look at this! Oh my goodness! This is definitely a new one. Still not sure if it's the Leafboard Plus. I don't think it is. I think it's the old... Actually, honestly, this has got to be the Leafboard Plus because the whole, like, plugins and wheels and trucks, it just looks all different. I'm pretty sure that this is the Leafboard Plus. Plus, my old one just said Leafboard on the front. This says Leafboard Wooden. It has a different type of wood than my other one, but I really like this wood. This is gorgeous. Very smooth wheels. Trucks are kind of tight, but we can loosen those up. Here, let me get in closer. On the bottom here, we've got the plugins. This is a USB, and you can charge devices with that. Like, you can charge your phone with your skateboard, and the bottom port charges the skateboard itself. So yeah, there's that. And here are all the parts, and it definitely does look like an upgrade from my last one. User manual, little extra part for the motor there. I have no idea what this is. It has a clip and then a keychain, and it has, there's a snake in my boot. I don't know what this is. Is it like a, can you like clip it onto your board so like it doesn't get like taken or something? I'm not sure. I'll look more into that. More parts for the trucks and wheels. A little Allen wrench. The little rubber parts that go in between the wheels. The charging cord for the skateboard itself. You get a little pouch for the remote control. You did not get this in the first one that I had. I'm gonna open this up. Got it open. And that's the remote control. Definitely different from my other remote control. Let me get that right now. Okay, so this was to the old Leafboard here. Let's try to focus that. And this is to the new one. You can see it's definitely slimmer. It is has a sort of slicker feel. This one's just straight plastic. And it feels really good. There's the accelerator right there. You just push up on it. And the accelerator and brake for down. It has a little, I don't know if you can see that. It has a little screen and a button right here. See how it happens when you hold the button? That turns it on. It says disconnected because the board's off. In the pouch of the remote control bag, it looks like a USB-C port. I'm guessing that's to charge the remote controller itself. There's the port right there. So yeah, these are the parts. I definitely wasn't expecting an upgrade. Leafboard really outdid themselves. I kind of sent some complaints their ways about my motors breaking and stuff, so they probably thought this guy's went through a lot of trouble with us. Might as well give them the upgraded board. But man, this board is sexy. Look at this thing. I'm gonna get closer. This is the board. Power button is right here on the bottom. That's how you know it's on, when the light is green. The controller made a little vibrate when I turned on the skateboard, so it must have connected. Here is the screen. It shows the battery of the board. Okay, cool. You push the button again. You probably can't see this because it's so small, but it shows board 40%, remote 75%. You double tap this button to change the modes. I'm pretty sure there are 3 modes. 1 is slowest, 2 is in the middle, and 3 is the fastest mode. Pushing the button 3 times on the remote turns this light on back here, so you have a little light for nighttime and stuff. Pushing it 3 times turns it back off. And when you accelerate, there's a number right here, that's a 0. That means you're not going, but when you accelerate, it shows the miles an hour you're going on the screen, which was not a feature in the first remote controller. I just found this out too, but if you push the button 4 times, that means you can go in reverse on this board, which you cannot do on the first one. Then you push it 4 times again, it moves to forward mode, so now your skateboard is going forward. So on the fastest mode, it shows on the remote that you're going 32 kilometers per hour, which is about 19 miles an hour here in the US. And then the slowest mode, you're going about 13. And then the second mode, you're going about 20 kilometers an hour. So first mode, 13 kilometers an hour, second mode 20, third mode 32, which I think is the same speeds as the first board was. So I am going to definitely be trying out this board. I'm going to be in different clothes because I'm going to try it tomorrow. It's a little bit like stormy outside and I have classes, so I'm a bit busy. Tomorrow I'm free, so tomorrow I'm going to try it out and shoot some video for you guys, show you how it rides. I'm pretty excited to ride it myself. And I am just so happy to have this electric skateboard bag. It's definitely going to be helping me get around to classes and such. I hope this one lasts longer than the first one, because if it doesn't, I definitely will be pretty upset. So, see you guys tomorrow. That's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time on Product Prodigy. Peace.